Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we will learn about ListView in Android app development, and as its name depicts, it is used to display large amount of data with common pattern in the form of a list in Android app. And now without any further delay, let's come to the implementation. Let's open the Android Studio and create new project. Select empty activity, click on next. Here give the project name. Let's give list. Select minimum SDK is. Click on next. Here this Gradle will take some time, so we'll meet after this Gradle build is ready to write our code. Now as you can see, my project Gradle build has completed. Now we can write our code. So first of all, we will go to our activity main XML file. Here we see there is a text view, hello world is written, so we don't need it. We simply remove it from the code. Select this code and remove it. After this we will click on palette. We'll also click on this component tree and we will search for list view. We select this list view and drag it to our constraint layout. Now we will constrain this list view with the parent constraint layout. So simply we click on this, we constrain it horizontally and vertically. After this we need to create one more layout file. For this we go to our resource folder and we click on it and we will create one layout file. Layout resource file. We can name it this file as custom row layout. Simply click on OK. Now we will design this layout. Yeah, this is the layout which is going to be repeated in every row in the list view. For this we will replace this constraint layout with the card view. After this we will change its height. Let's take it 100 dp and also give some margin to this layout. Let's say 5 dp, and we will also give elevation to this card view so that we can differentiate this card view with the background layout. Let's give it 10, and we will also give some radius to this card view which is 10 dp. Here there is one error is showing, which is elevation is 10 dp. After this we will take one linear layout. Let's search for linear layout. We will take horizontal linear layout inside this card view. We don't make any change in this layout, and after this we will take one image view in this linear layout. So let's write image view. Let's give it width as 80 dp and height also 80 dp. We can also show some dummy picture here. For this we need to go to our project and we will click on this drawable. We will click on new and we will go to vector asset. We will click on this click art and we will search for person image. We can take this first one. Here we change its color. Let's take it white. Yeah. After this we'll click on next. Sorry, we need to change the name of this. Let's profile pic. Now click on next. Finish. We see that this dummy profile picture has been added to our drawable resource folder. After this we will come back to this image view and write src, and here we will use this picture. As the picture is not visible, for this we need to also change the background of this image view till 200. Now this picture is quite visible. We also need to keep this image view in the center of this layout. For this we will use gravity attribute in our linear layout. Let's write gravity, and here we mention vertical center. Now it has come to the center. After this we will give margin to this image view from the left side. Let's write margin left. Let's take it 10 dp. After this we need to give id to this image view, profile image. Now we will create one more linear layout. This time we take it vertical linear layout, and this we simply change this width as wrap content, and we also need to define one more attribute which is weight, layout weight, write 1. And we also give margin to this layout from the left side. Let's write margin left, let's take it 10 dp. Now it looks great. And we also need to add one gravity attribute, center. Now whatever we will define in this layout will be in the center, vertically center. After this we will take one text view inside this inner linear layout. We will define the id of this layout as name, and text, let's try text as contact name. We need to change its text size, let's give it 20 dp. Also need to change the text style, let's give it bold. Text color which is black. Now it's okay. Now it has been designed. After this we will take one more text view below this previous text view, and we will change its id. Let's write message. Here we are designing some message sending interface in the form of list, and we will change its text color, text size, which is 15 dp. After designing this, we still see that the card view's coordinates radius are still not configurable. For this we need to come back to our card view, and we will add one more attribute which is background tint, and we will simply define the color as, let's take color as purple 200. Now we can clearly see that the card view coordinate radius are clearly configurable. This is how we have designed this custom row layout file. After this we will come back to our project, and we will create one Java model file, array model. We'll simply take 3 variables. First is image, string name, string message. After this we will create constructor to initialize these 3 variables. Select all, click on OK, and we will also create getter and setter for these variables. Select all, click on OK. Now our model file has been created. After this we will create one more adapter. For this we will click on new, click on Java class, give name it as custom adapter. We will extend this custom adapter by base adapter. Here some error message is showing. We need to implement this abstract method of this base adapter. We see that the error has been resolved now, and here in this custom adapter we need to create array list of type array model. We also need to create one more instance which is of context. We will create constructor to initialize these two instances of array list and context. Select both and click on OK. Now we see the constructor has been created. After this we will return here the size of array list instead of returning 0 dot size. Here we need to reinitialize this view reference with our custom view, which is custom row layout. Let's write view equal to layout inflator dot from context dot inflate r dot layout dot custom row layout that we have created for this list view. Here we will pass root as null, we don't need, and here we will return our view. And before this we also need to set text on our text view and set image on our image view. For this we need to create one image view instance. Let's write view dot find view by id dot image. Sorry, I need to check the id for this image view. The id is profile image. Sorry for that. Here we need to write profile image. We need to create two text views. First one is for name. Let's inflate this in our adapter, find view by id, id dot name, one more text view which is for message. After this, we will create one instance of our array model class equal to array list dot get. Here we need to pass this value of I, which is index for this object. Now I will set image on this image holder, image dot set image resource, and here we will pass array model dot get image. And we will also need to set the text on this text view. First we will set the name. For this we'll write name dot set text, and here we also pass dot get name. After this we will set our message on the message text holder dot set text array model dot get message. So now we have written the custom adapter code. After this we'll come back to our main activity, and here we will initialize one array list of type model class object. Type array model. We also need to create instance of our list view. After this we will initialize this array list. We will also inflate the list view by using find view by id, and we need to give this id to our list view. For this we go to activity main xml file, and we will give this id here, write id list item. Here there is an error showing. We will come back to our main activity, and here we will add item to our array list. For this we'll write array list dot add. Here we will add objects of the array model class. For this we'll write new array model. Here we'll pass image. For this we can use simply our dummy image that we have downloaded, profile pic. Write name as anything like Rahul Kumar, and simply write a message like hello all, how are you. We can duplicate this multiple times. After this we will create an instance of our custom adapter. For this we will take private custom adapter. We will initialize this adapter here, adapter equal to new custom adapter. Here we will pass this array list and in context of this activity this. After this I will set this adapter on this list view, write list view dot set adapter. Here I'll pass this adapter, custom adapter. Now we will run our application and check how it works. Application has been installed in my device without any error. Everything looks perfect. But as we see in our custom row layout file, there is some margin around the image view, but this is missing in our app. For this we need to simply make this margin left as only layout margin 10 dB. After this we will rerun this application, check how it looks. My application has been installed in my device. See how it looks. This time it looks perfect. So this is how we can implement our list view in our Android app, and as per our need we can change the design and background color. So this is all about the list view. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Please like, share and comment if you have anything to ask. Thank you.